Hey, hey, hey. Hello. Hey, shall we do this challenge? Let's let's do a few Pico CTF challenges. Can have some response. Yes, anyway, we'll solve. We'll keep solving. One viewer. Mm-hmm. Okay. So, anyway, I'll solve it. People keep trying to trick my players with imitation flags. I want to make sure they get the real thing. I'm going to provide the SHA-256 hash and a decrypt script to help you know that my flags are legitimate. Additional details will be available after launching. Okay, I've launched the instance and okay, here we got. Let's open the web shell, pop it out, retry. That's this challenge we are solving, right? So yeah, first we'll SSH. Okay, let's read it first. Using the password, accept the fingerprint with yes, okay, and ls. Once you begin, remember initial passwords are hidden. Yeah, I know. This is the checksum, and to decrypt the file once you have verified the hash, run. Okay, there is some decrypt.sh file, and inside the files folder there is this the file we want, which checksum is this particular thing. Okay, now I got it. So first we will connect to SSH. Yes, and this is the password here. Paste. Yes, okay. ls. Yeah. So here we have three files, two files in one folder, checksum.txt, and I guess it has our the checksum they gave us. This is the checksum of that file which we need to decrypt. So how can we do this? First of all, let's go into okay, first of all, let's list what are in the files folder. Wait a minute. These many files? Okay. Mm-hmm. So how can we do? There is this tool, SHA 256 sum. I guess I'm right. Hyphen H. Okay. Yeah. So this is the tool, SHA 256 sum. It prints out the hash value of SHA 256 hash value of any file that we give it as an input. So here are some options that you can use. Let's test if we can use. Okay, if I ls, there are, first I'll go into cd files and ls. These are so many files that are there, and sha 256 sum of some file oa. So this particular thing here is the 256 SHA 256 sum of this particular file. So if we want to get, so if we want to know the file which has the checksum of this value, we need to check the SHA-256 sum of all these files. How can we do that? First of all, let's copy this. How can we do this? Series dot. Can we recursively find all the sum of the files? SHA-256 sum of files. Files is a directory. Is there any option? We can use sort of six sum of multiple files. Okay, let's just ask ChatGPT. I have multiple files in a folder using SHA-256 sum. How can I get the checksum of all the files? Okay, there's our command. We can use First of all, are we inside files? Yes, now we are. And here is what we need to do. Shard to 56 sum and start. This will give out all the checksums of all the files. Checksum of all the files. And we need to pipe it out and grep what we need. And that is this checksum ls this. So our particular file is the file we need is e018 so on. So what shall we do now? Let's copy this into copy e0 into dot dot slash. Now do we have the file here? Yes, and it's over. dkip.sh on this particular file we get the flag. Copy, paste and submit the flag. It's that simple. And next, shall we do another 12 minutes? Scan surprise. Okay, I've gotten bored of handing out flags as text. Wouldn't it be cool if they were an image instead? You can download the challenge files here. Launch instance, copy link, ls. Okay, fine. We are now in home. So wget ls challenge.zip, unzip challenge ls. What? There is a home folder. Cd home ls CTF player. Am I missing something? Okay. cd CTF player ls drop in. cd drop in. Okay. Okay, there is this flag.png. If what if I cat it out, like read nothing? Okay, if I apply strings on flag, no, I cannot get. Okay, yeah. So we need to open this, right? But how can I do it in a command line? I cannot, right? Uh, so it's QR. Wait a minute. QR. Okay. Oh, how to read QR in command line? To read a okay QR scan or Z bar img. Let's see if this tool is there. Z bar img. Z bar img. No. QR scan. No. Can you install the tool? Nope. Sudo not found. Yeah. Okay. We cannot do this. It's a PNG file. I remember I've done this before. Yeah, they've said it. Z bar tools. I've done it, but here they are. If we have our own Kali machine, I guess we can do this. But here now we are not able to do this. That's it. So let's end this challenge. Try another challenge. Binary search. Want to play a game? As you use more of the shell, you might be interested in how they work. Binary shell search is a classic algorithm used to quickly find an item in a sorted list. Can you find the flag? You'll have 1,000 possibilities and only 10 guesses. Cybersecurity often has a huge amount of data to look through, from logs, vulnerability reports, and forensics. Practicing the fundamentals manually might help you in the future. Okay, launching the instance. Let's connect. Yes, password. Okay, welcome to the binary search game. Okay, in simple terms, if you don't know what is binary search, I'll tell you in very simple terms. Binary search is like a two-way search, or you can say search by the middle element. Okay, it's like if I say a number, you will say two options, whether the number I chose is greater than the actual number or less than the actual number, so that you'll move closer to the actual number that you want. Okay, here we have 10 chances, that is 10 guesses, and we need to find it. So with 10 guesses we can easily find, yeah, under 1,000. Our best chance is 500 because it's midway between 1 and 1,000. Higher, try again. Okay, so it's 750. Lower. So between 100 and 750. Here, what is the middle element? Like 500 to 750. 600 back, 650, 625. Much lower. 500 and 625. What's there in between? 500 and it's 125. 55. 555. Higher. 555 and 625. What is the middle? Let's try 600. No, 600. Much higher. Okay, 600 and 625. It should be 615. 615. Even higher. 620. Lower. Okay, so 617. Yep, that's the number. All we did was divide by half. That's it. Congratulations, you guessed the correct number, 617. And here is the flag. I guess it's already been 20 minutes and I see no views still. Android solving these challenges. That's all for this live video.